Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are diving into AOC, also known as the Alpha Omega coin, which is a massive project that is also being highlighted by CoinStore right now. This is a divinely inspired cryptocurrency on a massive mission for the glory of God and the cause of humanity. Their powerful motto is always forward, never backward, so let's dive straight in and see exactly why the community is so excited about this ecosystem. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying, at its core, AOC is a decentralized finance and educational ecosystem that is designed to bring true real-world empowerment. To be more precise, they're especially focusing on driving financial growth and Web3 adoption to regions like Africa and developing nations. What makes it truly unique is its design, because unlike projects that are built on pure speculation, this project is structured as a fair market champion using smart token mechanics to fight the brutal price manipulations and extreme volatility that usually kill new tokens. They're completely building all of this for long-term community sustainability. As you can see, the vision here is beyond massive because they're combining real-world utility with a community-first heart. But to really understand how this whole ecosystem works, you need to know about their three main web platforms. First up, they have their main Web2 platform at alphaomegacoin.com. You can think of it as the central hub for official and internal AOC members. This is where the community connects, gets official updates, and coordinates everything happening behind the scenes. Next is their Web3 platform at web3.alphaomegacoin.com, and this is where the real blockchain utility kicks in. It runs on the BNB chain using USDT BEP20, and it's the main engine that handles ecosystem support and powers all their decentralized applications. And finally, they have a dedicated token distribution platform at tokendistribution.alphaomega.com. This one is super important because it's completely focused on the regular and transparent distribution of the token to the community. Having a standalone site just for this shows that they are serious about keeping their token releases fair and out in the open. And since we're talking about the tokenomics, what's really cool about AOC is that they are not just launching a token and hoping for the best. They've actually built a structured model designed for long-term survival, specifically creating mechanisms to keep the ecosystem stable and protect the community from the crazy price manipulation we see in a lot of other new projects. And to do that, the entire project relies on 5 major core highlights that you definitely need to know about. First, guys, as I was saying, it's built on the BNB chain. This is awesome for us users because it means the transaction costs are incredibly low and the speeds are super fast. Second, it features a completely DEX-native ecosystem design. Everything is optimized to run smoothly right from the start across decentralized environments. Third, they are using AI-powered monitoring mechanism, and this is where the tech gets really smart. They use AI to keep a close eye on network activity, ensure things stay safe and running the way they should. Fourth, it's completely packed with community-driven participation incentives. The project knows that a crypto network is nothing without its people, so they have built-in rewards to actively give back to the community members who help support the ecosystem. Everything is trackable right on the blockchain, so you don't have to just take their word for it. You can actually see the proof of what's happening yourself. When you combine a transparent token structure with this kind of automated community-first feature, it shows that AOC is trying to build a foundation that actually lasts. Honestly, guys, the vision behind this project is beyond massive, and it is clear that they're focused on building an ecosystem that actually gives back to its community. If you want to stay completely up to date with everything they're doing, make sure to follow all of their official social media channels. Make sure to smash that subscribe button so you do not miss any of our upcoming guides, and I will see you guys in the next video.